This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा रविवासरः भाद्रपद शुद्ध तृतीया दिनांक 21 ऑगस्ट 2020 सहस्रयोगम् लिंगाष्टकचूर्णम् शंखं चक्रं जलौकान् दशदमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं निखिल गदवन प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे मातुवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक् श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। त्रिकट्वादि कटुकादि चूर्णराज त्रिकटकमजमोदं चित्रको हिंगु भांगी बिडमपि सह चव्यं सैंधवं यावशूकम् अमृतमिति भिषग्भिः पूजितश्चूर्णराजः कपपवननिहन्ता शूलः दीपनाश्च। तो अयं पाठः मनाक् भिन्नः वर्तते। त्रिकटिकमजमोदा सैन्धवं जीरके द्वे समधरणधृतानाम् अष्टमो हिङ्गुभागः. That is the famous part. So Tripitaka Ajamoda is the same. Ajamojam, but Ajamoda, Chitraka, Hingu, Bhangi, Bida, Chavya, Saindava, Yavashuka. All in equal quantities might be there. Amrutamiti Vishakbhi Pujitas Churna Raja. So idam Amrutameva iti ayam Churna Raja iti. Kapapavana Nihanta Shulaha Deepanashtra. So Kapapavana Nihanta Shulaha and Deepana. That is the Falashruti. So this is a bit different from Hingashaka Churna. I thought that this is the Hingashaka Churna only. As Ambrosia, Kapavata Shulanashaka Agnidipaka. Kayam Purandaradi, sorry, Churna. Kayam Purandare Yavati Vishavayam Savarchala Bhayarajansi Samani Kondu Orkan Vatyapi Kuttipi Tuno Vilasu Vennorilama Sahite Grahani Gadesh. Kayam Hingu Indrayava Purandarayava, so Indrayava Ativisha Vayampu Vacha Savarchala Abhaya Rajamsi Samani Kondu. So these are to be powdered together in equal quantity. Orkan Vatyapi Kuttipi Tuno Vilashu. Taken in equal quantity and mixed internally with hot water. Vamanayukta Shula आमयुक्त ग्रहणी, वमनयुक्त शूल. So Chardi and Shula together, and Amayukta Grahani, Vennorilama Sahite Grahani Gadesh. So this is a combination of Sanskrit and Malayalam as such. So some part of the shloka is Sanskrit and some part is Malayalam. Mahavandhi Vajra, Varshabhuchir Bilvamustasara Punkhar Vadogna Shati, Vadogra Shati, Pathela Hingubhangi Surataru, Apusha Kushta Brukshamladhanyam. Varshabhuchir Bilvamustasara Punkhar. This is not even Shardul read it. Shardul we read it. Pathela Hingubhangi Surataru, Apusha Kushta Brukshamladhanyam. Madri Darvi Nikumba Krumiripurudahanam Sradhara Varshahu Cherebil Vamusta Sharapum Kharakvadho Rashaki Tapatra Rushkarani Tikatu Karikana Dadimamlam Varancha Shagram Shigroh Palasha Tilaka Talachayat Bhokshurat Kala Mushkat Mushtam Lohasya Kittam Tadapi Patudale Churnayitva Sarvam प्रत्येकं मातुलुंगार्द्र गणित आर्द्रक गणित रसे भावितं सप्तकृत्वाः is fine. तच्चूर्णं कुक्षिरोगान् अपहरति महावह्नि वज्र. Whether this is available in the market or not, that might be seen. Okay, the part is Sanskrit. विश्वाजमोदाति चूर्ण राहिले. Okay. Where it is? Kayam Purandaradi. No, it is not there. So it might be in Hindi part. Or it might be somewhere else. So Punarnava Chirabilva Musta 43. विश्वाजमोद सिंधु चिंता त्वग्भिः समाभया तक्रेणोषां भसावापि पीताति सारनाशी. So Vishwajamoda Sindhava Chinchatvak Abhaya Takrena Ushnam Basavapi Pita Atisaranashi. So when it is drunk with Takra or Koshna Jala, that conquers Atisar. So, okay. Very loud. वर्षावो पुनर्नवा चिरबिल्व मुस्तास सर्पशरपुंखा आरगवद उकरावचा षठी कसोरा पाठा एला हिंदू भारंगी सुरतरु देवदार अपुषा कुष्ठ वृक्षामल धान्यक मात्री अतिविषा दार्वी निकुंभ कृमिरिपु दहनम चित्रक दीप्यक यवानी क्षीरक द्वे त्वक्पत्र अरुष्कर त्रिकटु, करिकण, गजपिप्पली, दाडिमाम्लम, आम्लदाडिम, वरा, शिग्रु, पलाश, तिल, गोक्षुर, कालमुष्क, क्षार, and लोहपिट्टमंडूर. So 7 times in each in Matulunga Swarasa and Ardraka Swarasa. प्रत्येकं मातुलुङ्गार्धकजनितरसे भावितं सप्तत्वः. So 7 bhavanas of Matulunga Swarasa and Ardraka Swarasa. Sarva Kukshiroga. तच्च पूर्णं चूर्णं तच्चूर्णं कुक्षिरोगान् अपहरति महावन्धि वज्राभिधानम्. Okay. So this is quite Ushna Tikshna by nature, and don't know whether this is available. Kushmanda Dervaru Bijadi Churna. Kushmanda Ervaru Bijadi Churna. Kushmanda Ervaru Bijam Magada Magadaja Madhuka Dravidir Dravidindi Varivi. Atsendi Vamshi Vatsad Danivasukamahi Talakandotchatabi. चूर्णं कृत्वा अवलिहतो मस्तिरोगासुक्षाः नश्यन्तुष्णा निलाद्याः भवति पुनरहो काकतामूत्रकृच्छ्रे. This is somehow known. कुलहलविषमुष्टि भूस्त्रो भूतकेशि. So Bastiroga Sukruchaha. So this is useful in Bastiroga. Nashyanti Ushnadiladyaha. So Ushnaniladya. This is something very strange. Ushnanila, this I have heard for the first time. Kim Punaraho Ka Katha Mutra Kuchre. So what to speak about Mutra Kuchre? Kushmanda Ervaru Bija Karkati Magadha Pippali Madhuka Yashti Madhu Dramati Ela Indivara Nilotpala Matsyandi Khanda Vamshi Vatsadini Guruchi Vasuka Arka. Not really Arka. Vasuka is Pashana Bheda. Mahitala Kanda Musali Uchata Shweta Gunja Mutra Kruchra Ushnavata. So this is Ushnavata. I think there is one disease Ushnavata in Mutra Kruchra Rogadikar or Mutra Ghata. Yes. Mutra Kruchra Prakarasal. Yes, that is what I felt right now. So Ushnavata is one kind of Mutra Kruchra. But this seems better. This is not in use. And maybe we use this for UTI. The name of this Kushmanda Ervaru Bijadi Churna. Kushmanda Ervaru Bijadi Churna. Okay. So this seems better. If it is not available, if we can prepare it, that can also be seen. आकुली कतकादि चूर्ण, आकुली कतक कैश्व गुंजा बीज सहितं गुंजा बीज चूर्ण सहितं परिशुष्कं शंखनस्य पिशितं मधुना तत्सेवितं हरति मेघमशेषम्. आकुली आवर्तकी बीज कतक कैशव कुमुद बीज. कैश्व is gunja bija and shankha nasya pishkam shambhukamausa. So this is very good for prameha, all kind of meha, ashesham bhavati. Shankhanasya pishtam is shambhukamausa. Don't know whether this is available. And gunja bija is being used internally. That is the important aspect. It needs shuddhi, and then only we can use it. विडंगरासना सुरदारु रंगरासनादि चूर्ण विडंगरासना सुरदारु भांगी वचा पटुक्षार कटुत्रिकैश्च सौदिप्यकैश्चूर्णमिदं प्रलीनं निहन्ति वृद्धीन किलान् क्षणेन. विडंगरासना देवदार भांगी वचा पटुक्षार लवणक्षार कटुत्रिकैश्च त्रिकटु सदीप्यकैश्चूर्णमिदं प्रलीनं. And yavan. So all Vruddhi Roga, Kshanena. So we are getting some cases of hernia as such. This is quite Ushna Tikshna combination. Trilavana Pashugandhadi Churna. Trilavana Pashugandham. Panchakola Ajamojam. Ajamoja is seem to be a word for Ajamoda as such. Marichamishi Vidangam Hingukshamba Pataha. Vividhataru Vishalakshara Kumbham. Gachakana Varakumbham. जीरके द्वे षठी च जलधर निधने कौरभांगी गदहपुषयवानी तारणी वेतसाम्ब दृश्यति सकलमोपम चूर्णितं बीजपूर स्वरसपरिनिपीतं भोजने वा प्रगे वा मृतहिमजलदलाद्यैस्सेवितं हन्ति गुल्मान् हृदयजठर पार्श्वस्फिक्कटी बस्तिशूलान् उपरमपि च रक्षक्तः पक्वमग्निस्ततः स्यात् घृतमपि परिपक्वं भेषजैरेभिरेव. So त्रिलवण सैंधव बिड संवर्धल पशुगंधा is अजगंधा पंचकोल then अजमोदा मरीच मिसी शताभा विडंग हिंगू वृक्षाम्ल पाखा विबुधतरु देवदारु विशाला इंद्रयव. विशाला is इंद्रवारुणी इंद्रायण इंद्रवारुणी. क्षारयुग्म सर्गक्षार यवक्षार निकुंभ दंती गजकणा गजपिप्पली वरा त्रिफला कुंभ त्रिवृत जीरकद्वे षठी जलधर मुस्ता धनिका धान्यक उग्रावचा तुम्बुरु कोल भारंगी गद कुष्ठ हपुषा यवानी कार्वी कालवीर वेट वेटसामल. ओके. कोणाचा? तो नाशिकचा आहे.
अरे ऐक ना, अर्जन्सी आहे का? लेक्चर चालू आहे, 7:30 कंप्लीट.
administer internally with बीजपूर्वरसायन उष्णजल और उष्णजल. गुल्म रुद्रोग जठर रोग पार्श्व त्रिक कटी बस्ती शूल. So फलश्रुति is wide. उपनमपि शक्तः. There is fic also. There is no mention of fic downwards in the फलश्रुति. हृदय जठर पार्श्व स्पिक कटी बस्ती शूल. उपनमपि च शक्तः पक्वम् अग्निस्ततस्य. So it can digest even stone. That is another important aspect in this. We have to see which churnas are available. अभ्रक गंधादि चूर्ण. अभ्रक गंधक टंकण तुथैः त्रिषण कांत युते कृत चूर्णम. पाचन रोचन दीपनमेतत् गुल्म विकारम अपोहति सत्यः. So अभ्रक गंधक तुथ त्रिषण and कांतलोह. Quite different part. पाचन रोचन दीपन गुल्म विकारम अपोहति सत्यः. निम्बादि चूर्ण. भुरिम्ब कटुका मुस्ता त्रिषणेन्द्रियवान समान. द्वौ चित्रकात् वत्सकत्वक भागान् षोडश चूर्णयेत्. गुणशीताम्बुना पीतं ग्रहणी दोष गुल्मनु. कामिलाज्वर पांडित्व मेहारुच्यति सारम्. I think this is somewhere in Bruhatri. I don't remember. It might be the same Bhunimbadi in Grahani Chikitsa. Bhunimba Katuka Musta Triushana Indrayava Pittaja Grahani. Yes. So I use this Buddha Shitam Guna Pitam. So that Anupana I am not using actually. So maybe we try to use that Anupana. Vatsakatvak Bhagan Shodash Churniye. So Vatsakatvak is more Puttaja Tvak. ग्रहणी दोष गुल्मनु कामना ज्वर पांडित्व मेधारुच अतिसारम. This is good for pitta. ग्रहणी दोष गुल्म कामला ज्वर पांडित्व मेधारुच अतिसारम. So this is also Nagaradi Churna is also from Grahani. Nagarati Visha Musta Patha Bilvam Rasanjanam Putitva Phalam Tiktam Dhatakita Kritam Gajaha. Chaudratandulam Aribhyam Paitike Grahani Gade. Pravahikarsho Gadaruk Praktopthaneshu Cheshyate. So this is also I am using Nagaradishwarana. Phalam Tiktam Dhataki Chakratam Rajaha Chaudratandulam Aribhyam. So Madhu and Tandulavari Paitike Grahani Gade. Pravahika Arsha Gudaruk Praktopthaneshu Cheshyate. So even in Praktopthana this is helpful. So this might be used in Grahani and particularly ulcerative colitis as well. नागर शुंठे अतिविषा मुस्ता पाठा बिल्व रसांजन फुटजत्व फुटजबीज तिक्तम धातुकी. पित्तज ग्रहणी प्रवाहिका अर्शस उदशूल and रक्तार्शस. This information has been mentioned in Charaka Samhita Chikitsasthana Yoga Ratnakara and Pashutirathana by the name Nagaradhya Churna. So don't know whether this is available in the market, but I had prepared it. I have both Nimbadi and Nagaradhya. हिंगुवचा विषया पशुगंधा दाडिमत नित्यक धान्यक पाठाः पुष्करमूल षठी हपुषा अग्निक्षार युग द्विपटुक्तिकटूनि साजाजिचव्य सह त्रिणीकं सवेत्नसाम्लं विनिहन्ति चूर्णम् ऋक्पार्श्वपृष्ठस्तन कुक्षिरोग शूलां निवायवात्मककफोद्भवानि रुचान् गुल्मान् वातविन्मूत्रसङ्गं कंठे बन्धं मृद्युतं पाण्डुरोगम् अन्ना श्रद्धा क्लियः दुर्नाम वन्नी दुर्नाम हिग्ना वर्धमाद्मान श्वासकास्ताग्निसादा भूनिम्बादि वात प्रधान and नागरादि चूर्ण पित्त प्रधान ग्रहणी how to use them. Yeah, actually in Nagaradi in Vata Pradhan and Bhunimbadi is more Pitta Pradhan. That is what I am using right now. But seeing the Falashruti, it would be worth to use Nagaradi for Raktasragyasya or even ulcerative colitis as such. And both are useful in Kapha Pitta and Rakta. That is more important right now when after seeing the Patha, I feel it is to be used for Kapha Pitta. Maybe Nagaradi Kapha Pitta and Bhunimbadi Pitta Kapha. That would be better something with Rakta. हिंगुवचा विषया पशुगंधा दाडिमदीप्यक धान्यक पाठाः पुष्करमूलषठी हपुषा अग्निक्षार युगद्विपटु तिकटूनि साजाजिचव्यसः तिन्त्रिणीकं सवेतासाम्लं विनिहन्ति चोरम्. So this is famous Hinguachadi, available also in the market. Rut Parshva Prushthastana Kukshiroga. Vaivama Kapodbhava. Vaivatmaka is what thought, but Vaivama, Vayuama and Kapodbhava. Pruchan Gulman, Vatavimutra Sangam, Kanthe Bandam, Rudgatam, Pandurogam. अन्ना श्रद्धा प्रियः दुर्दाम हित्वा परमात्मान श्वास कासाग्नि साधन. The Falashruti is quite wide. And surprisingly, Stana Roga is also there. So this is Kukshiroga, there is no doubt. Rutparshva also. This is fine, that this is Anulomana. And Vata Vinmutra Sangha. All Vata Vit and Mutra Sangha is taken care. Kanthabandha, Rudgada, Panduroga. हिंगुवचा विजया पशुगंधा दाडिम दीप्यक धान्यक पाठा पुष्करमूल षठी हपुषा अग्नि क्षारयुग द्विपाटपटु त्रिकटु अजाजी चव्य तिन्त्रिणिक वेतसाम्र. कंठे बंध म्हणजे it is something of feeling of obstruction in the कंठ. बांध बसने ज्यादातर उरस्थान में ये प्रतीत होता है, लेकिन कंठ में भी इस प्रकार का हो सकता है. सुरुचूल पार्श्वशूल स्तन रोग कुक्षि रोग शूल वात कफ आमदोष मूत्रकृच्छ्र गुल्म वातविन्मूत्र संग कंठ बंध. हृद्रोग पांडु अन्नद्वेष प्लीहा अर्शसिक्का ऊर्ध्य आध्वान श्वास कासा अग्निमान्य. So I have been using this, and where to use Hingashtaka and where to use Hinguvachadi. This is still a question. That Hinguvachadi is a more broad part as compared to Hingvashtaka. So might be that we try to use it more widely. And Vata Vinmutra Sangha, all these are covered. So maybe that way this is very good. Hingutvagadi Churna. Hingutvak Vishmachavya Vayamarichaturti Karavi Vanyajaji Krishna Mulajamodai Sahakrutapichvir Magadhi चूर्णमुष्ट्या प्रस्तार्धं यो वरिष्ठं लवणमतदहेन नारिकेलो दरस्थम शूलिपूतीककाष्ठैर्व्यतिष्ठितः हविषा माक्षिपद्येन लीढ्वा. So, this might be narikela lavana. शूलिपूतीककाष्ठैर्. The Shruti is strange. Hingu Kalchini Vishwashunti Chavyamaricha Truti Ela Karavi Vanye Ajaji Krishnamula Pippali Mula Ajamoda Magati Pippali Churna Charkarsh Magati Churna Mushtya. Okay. Prastardham Yo Varishtham Lavanam Tad Dahen Narikelo Darastham Sendhava Lavana 32 Karsha. Them well. Make a hole in the top and remove water from the coconut fruit, and then fill up the above mixture into it and seal it with a piece of cloth besmeared with mud. Puti Karamja. So this is again strange. Only Puti Karamja is to be used for burning this. The Rashula. So this is famous by Narikela Lavana, and here they are saying that the watery part is to be removed. Water is to be removed. Don't remember right now whether water is to be kept as well. But anyway, the whole thing is burnt into a mushy, and whatever is internal, that is taken out, and along with this mushy of this coconut, and that is used for shula. Hingutvagadi churna. So this is a mushy kalpana. Water is to be removed in narikela lavana as well. Okay. So has anybody prepared this? So anyway, this is some typical Ayorajo Nagaradichuram. I prepared it only once. Okay. करवंटी पण जळते का? करवंटीची मशी पण include होते का? I'm not sure what happens to that. Karvanti. It should be burning. Karvanti anyway burns, but I think only the inner part is taken out, and Karvanti is not taken out. So that can be separately used as medicine, Karvanti, Nashi. So एते कवसमृद्ध गतिप्राण प्रकोपजाः तस्मान् मार्गशुद्ध्यर्थं देयालयः निष्पते. There is a Mashi Sankalpana in Shwasa and Kura etc. are used for Mashi. And that is to be given only if it burns, but only internal part taken. So in Nishkapa Avastha, it is never to be given. That is what has been said. So in Sakafa Avastha, only this Mashi Sankalpana is good. There was one medicine by Ayurveda Rasashan, I don't know whether they have it right now, Charcoal. So it is the Mashi, like Korsar and of Bhatri and some other medicines. And this charcoal or coal has affinity towards Vata dosha and it absorbs Vata dosha. So when there is a lot of flatulence and the Vata is not getting out, then this charcoal tablet was used. So this typical activity of or capacity of charcoal or the koila to absorb vayu, this is very typical. So we may try to use this in severe admana or anaha to reduce the vata and reduce the pain associated with vata dosha. Pandharanga. So Uma Ayurved has this Narikela Lavana, Bharadwaj in it. It was told to be used in gallbladder stone in our Aushadhi preparation seminar. How to use it? How do you use it, sir? I have not really used. And after hearing the part, I decided that we may prepare it or something like that. But actually, there is no mention about gallstone in our text. Only we have Pittashmari that is associated with Mutrashmari, not really with gallstone. But there are patients of these gallstones very often seen. And if they are 4 to 5 mm, then nothing happens to them. They may get out or may remain in the gallbladder itself. If they are bigger, 8 mm, 10 mm or more than that, then they can break. I have been using Kalyanaka Kshara along with Bhunimbadi Churna from Amla Bhunimbanimba Tripala Patavasam Patamakoa. So Bhunimbadi is two-way available. We are told to use it in Samana Kala in GB stone. So that should be fine. We may be using it. But you need to treat Amlapitta in this scenario. And in certain cases, I use Tamravasma, particularly when there is acute cholecystitis and severe pain and vomiting. Then Tamravasma along with Shauktik and Bhunimbadi Churna and Tamduga is helpful in reducing the pain instantaneously. So this I have used many times. I have many cases of this cholangiocystitis, कोष्ठगत वातमध्ये क्षार वापरायला सांगितला आहे. नारिकेल, लवण, यवक यासारखे मशी कल्पना क्षार कल्पने अंतर्गत येतात. Yeah, actually, Shar is much advanced stage of Mashi Sankalpana, but we have to convert it into ash while preparing Shar, and then that ash is to be dissolved in water, and then that is again gained, regained, and then that is Shar or something like that. So this is prior to that, and particularly for bloated abdomen, this is a better choice to use. So we may think of these kinds of concepts. This might be leading to intestinal obstruction or might be a symptom of intestinal obstruction. And if it is Kapavata Pradhana Kapa Amavata, then these kalpanas are good, there is no doubt. There was one case reported with Pitta Pradhanya. It didn't respond to these kinds of things, the one transfer, etc. at all. But some Vaidya thought that this is Pitta Pradhana, and then we tried to use Pitta Shamaka Aushad, Kamduga Suchikar, and Shoktik, etc. And then the obstruction was relieved and patient saved. So, intestinal obstruction I have come across in many cases of cancer as such. Colon cancer is most common. Sometimes it is the ovarian cancer that puts pressure on the colon externally, and that can lead to intestinal obstruction. And then this is a serious condition. And if it is not relieved, then this is most dangerous. Now, recently I have one case who was basically stomach cancer. Operated, gastrectomy was not gastrectomy. Gastrectomy was done partial, and thereafter he developed adhesions, and there were subacute intestinal obstruction. So anyhow, that could not get relieved. So I admitted him initially in a private hospital and then in Dinanas. Both of them said that this is subacute obstruction, not very acute. So we wait and watch. And Odin saline support was given. Gradually it got relieved. Patient was discharged. But the pain persists. Amalakamishi I also use sometimes. That is easy to prepare. And Ashwagandha mashi is also can be used particularly for Shwasa. And Amalakamishi with Isabgol was being used by Nanal sir for hypertension. This is a strange combination. But if you feel that the main samprapti is from Udara or Antra, then you can use Amalaki Mashi and Isabgol combination. I am using Isabgol in that particular situation in very small quantity, maybe 60 milligram or something, with Amalaka Mashi. And this can even help in migraine to a certain extent. if it is Udavartajanya, then migraine is generally associated with Pitta, and after vomiting it gets relieved. But if it is due to Udavarta, then we may go for this Dhatrimashi and Isabgol, and that works fine. I didn't understand how Nanal thought of using this, Bapu Nanal thought of using this. And but it gives success, there is no doubt. So we may have to think of this. Shar will be more Anulomaka, Tishna, and Mashi will be more Shoshaka. Narikela Lavan is Saumya Virya, since Mashi has as Shoshaka, but also good Anulomaka and Vedana Shama. So the Vayu is absorbed. Most important thing is Vayu is absorbed. And that is how it helps. So Varangaka Kshar was in use by Datar Guruji in typical cases. And though they call it as Kshara, it is a Mashi Kalpana. Antardhuma Mashi. That is another important aspect in case of Varangaka Kshara. And again, this is a medicine in Grahani, really speaking. The medicines from Grahani Chikitsa Adhikar have multifaceted uses, and in varieties of diseases that can be used because the origination is from Grahani. Shirashula Astana Adhana se Tarni Dhatri Mashi Vaparta. Yes. So if it is Udavarta, then this is very good. There is another case by another Vaidya in which a person told that his wife is having very severe headache and you please give some medicine. So he gave some medicine like Suchekar, etc. Husband returned back and said that no, it is very severe and you please come to home and see her. So when he reached home, he found that she was having Shushka Udgar and the headache was so severe that she was dashing her head with the wall, against the wall. Then Nadi Pariksha was done and it was found that she had severe constipation. Didn't have motion 2-3 days or so. And then Balaritiki and Sandhava combination with Erandaputta. That was given and it relieved the Vayu and the headache stopped. So this Gandharvaritaki contains Shunki as well. Erandaputta Haritaki, but there is custom of using Balharitaki in that situation. And along with Saindava. Dhatrimashi Shankha, Dhatrimashi Shakti. Yeah, that also, I also use the same kind of things. And this helps, there is no doubt. If there is more Adhana, in many cases, it is Udavarta, that is the main reason behind. And if we control that Udavarta, or conquer that Udavarta, then these cases are good enough. So Only thing is, if there is a Sanchari Vedana in the Kostra, then it is associated with Vata dosha. If it is fixed at some part, some point region, then we may have to consider investigations and see whether there is any obstruction or something like that. Strange enough, I had told this case long back, but I may repeat now. The gallstones were there, they were operated, gallbladder was removed. And after that, the person had severe burning sensation in the right part of the abdomen, just below the liver. It was so severe that he could not see, he could not sleep, nothing was possible. So his regular Vaidya was Sardeshmukh sir, and he called him, and Sardeshmukh sir said that it won't be possible for him to visit his house this week. He may come next week or something like that. So one of my students asked me to see him, and when I visited, he was really very restless. So I sent him for sonography, and the diagnosis came as bilioma. I heard this diagnosis for the first time. And they said this is a common complication of cholecystectomy. The common bile duct gets ruptured and the bile leaks into the peritoneum and it gets accumulated, and then this is called as bilioma. So simple measure was done, that needle was put and this bile was taken out. And this was of course done by allopathic doctor. And immediately the burning stopped. He said the repair of that bile duct will be natural. So thereafter, the patient got totally relieved and didn't have any problem later. So this is also a very new experience for me. I'd never seen such a complication, and heard this bilioma for the first time. There was another case from Pramod Kulkarni, and there was a fluid thrill in the abdomen at a particular region. So for the first time, I diagnosed this as Udakodara. That's the only case that I have seen. But this is different from Udar Jatodakavastha. The fluid is accumulated in a particular part. Unfortunately, the patient didn't survive and was admitted in hospital. But even diagnosing Udakodara is also a special thing. And these kinds of patients are seen. This is more important as such. इथं कुठे असंच खाली सगळं उंडुकाच्या वर थोडासा राईट साइड ऑफ द कोलन. सो नाही याचीच लक्षणं होती, उदराचीच लक्षणं, अग्निमांद्य सिव्हिअर. So this again is important, and this narikela lavana, as if it is available in the market, then we may try to use this for specific conditions, and particularly when it is not possible to do vatanulomana. If the vat absorption is done, then also the pain is relieved. That is most important. So we may try to use it in particular cases. अयोरजो नागरवन्य पथ्या कलिंग दंती त्रिवृतान समावशान चूर्णानि गोमूत्र परिकृतानि शोफोदरघ्नानि भवन्ति सद्यः. अयो नागरादि चूर्ण. क्षर उदराधिकरणात आहे शर्कात. Then might be in Margata it is, or I may have to look into it again. But to the best of my knowledge, it is in Grahani. Later in Grahani, there are charas. Maybe I have a look. Ayorajo Nagaradi Churna. In Plehodara it is mentioned. Pleha Pibet. Vidangam Chitrakam Shuntim Sagurtam Sendamam Vacham Dantha Kapale Paisa Pleha Pibet. So this is the same part Varangaka, there is no doubt. So it seems to be in Udara. How do I remember it in Grahani? I don't remember. Maybe we also look in Vagbhata. मशी कल्पनाचा सेवनकाल वारंवार की कसा द्यावा. मयूर पिच्छामशी गर्भिणीसाठी देताना कसा विचार करावा. I have not used Mayur Pichamashi for Garhini as such. Maybe given, but there we have to use Muhurmu. If we are using it for Grahini, Udara, etc., then you may use it Samankala. That's a better choice to do. So Samankala is a better, but if you are using it for Prasakta Chardi, then you may use it Murmu. That is. अयोरजो नागर वंदी पत्या कलिंग दंती त्रिवृतान समावशान चूर्णानि गोमूत्र परिकृतानि शोकोदर गुणानि भवन्ति सिद्धि. पत्या कलिंग दंती त्रिवृतान समावशान. So this should be good enough to prepare as such. So this is simple rather. I have been thinking of preparation of medicine at Konkan area, and Gomutra Haritaki is one of the yogas which you have to just add Gomutra to Haritaki Churna and keep it dry. When it dries up again, pour Gomutra. So in Grishma Rutu, this is very easy to prepare. The same thing might be over here. Ayorajo Nagaradi Churna. So Nagaravani Pathya Kalinga Danti Trivrit and Ayorajo. So I think that should be fun. There is something else. What is happening actually? I have to go here. Ayoraja, Lohabasma, Nagara, Shunki, Vanji, Chitraka, Patha, Artiki, Kalinga, Danti, Tribrit. So Kutaja is odd in this. Ayoraja, we can take Lohabasma, etc. Otherwise, you can take this Churna, Ayoraja. This is a big controversial issue. He has not mentioned about Gomutra, Shrofa and Udara. So in kapavata pradhana avastha or kapa pradhana avastha, this is a better choice to do. Okay, so let us conclude over here, and we continue on Monday. Ayurveda prakando nigaditaiha शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने तां च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः परश्वः सोमवासरे परश्वः नहीं परश्वः सोमवासरे पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः। गणेश चतुर्थी की सभी को शुभकामनाएं गणेश उत्सव की।